so that we filmed today on the 26th of January 2025. And what was the address?
Kissanmaankatu 9.
Kissanmaankatu 9 in Tampere, Finland, Kissanmaa. And this has been built by Epilän Konepaja, very beautiful with 5 floors. We will have 3 rides here, of course.
Yeah.
Built in 1961, Zimmer is E477. Fortunately, going to be modernized too soon, but
yeah.
I believe we are getting it now.
And this is the last orchard in Kissanmaa.
Yeah, even that. Even better. Oh. Roman numbers. Very, very beautiful. And from the basement floor, I'd like to do the lamp indicator.
Yeah, same here.
Yes. Switch the lights on. So not too close to the doors then.
Yeah.
Because you never know. It's actually 6 floors high, but between K1 there's an intermediate one.
Yeah. Ja, ei siitä paikki vaiskutaan, me ei tehnyt paikkoon.
Yeah. It always does that.
Yeah.
And only because of that it's going to be Morocco based.
Yeah.
Very sad.
Yeah.
But at least I filmed it now.
Yeah.
It has amazing sounds and smell.
Yeah. Gonna stop between K1. Yeah. Maybe I hold the button.
Oh, but careful.
Yeah.
Let's hope it doesn't happen. Huh?
Yeah.
I was so paranoid.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, you can do the flooring kit.
Yes, of course.
That's